All right, hi 5th and 6th graders. Today we are starting a project, both 5th and 6th grade, that's going to be, it's going to last today, Friday, and Monday. So we're going to be doing this stuff with a theme park project, and you are going to design a theme park and do some different proposals about it and conversions and calculations. So, you have been given the task of writing a proposal for the newest theme park in town. It could be anything you want. It could be a Disney type theme park. It could be a Six Flags type theme park. It could be something else that hasn't been created yet and you want to use your imagination. It's up to you. You're not the only one, though, that has the opportunity. You need to design a theme park and get as many details as possible, and then you're going to present it to the director, aka me. So put your name here. So-and-so's theme park, Miss Deeker's theme park. Name of the theme park, any name you want. The theme, it could be a Jurassic Park theme. It could be a Star Wars theme. It could be Trolls theme. I don't care. You get to choose. And then a little slogan, a little saying that'll catch people's attention. All right? When is the park open? What dates and hours is your park going to be open? Put it in here. And then you get to create a little advertisement, a little poster about your park. Okay, so this page is the fun page, and then we're going to get into some calculations. The first page is your roller coasters rides. These are the types of rides. You're going to name your ride, whatever you want, and then we're going to calculate some heights. Okay, it's given us, most of these are in feet, and we're going to calculate the inches. All right, so if I had a Ferris wheel, maybe I want to call it the hamster wheel of doom. I don't know. I'll name it. And then it says my Ferris wheel is 250 feet high. Okay, we need to remember for this page, one of the very, very important things is that how many inches are in a foot? There are 12 inches in 1 foot. If my Ferris wheel is 250 feet high, how many inches is that going to be? So you're going to need to calculate that. Okay, you're going to take your paper, you're going to multiply 250 times 12 and find out how many inches tall our Ferris wheel is. Then you have a roller coaster. Your roller coaster, you're going to name your roller coaster. And then it gives you the height in feet. You're going to multiply it to find the height in inches. Roller coaster 2, same thing. Merry-go-round. The merry-go-round, they gave you the height in inches. So if they gave you the height in inches, what are you going to do to figure out the feet? Instead of multiplying by 12, we're going to do what? I hope you said divide. So you're going to divide by 12 to find out how many feet high your merry-go-round is. All right, so you're coming up with a name, and then you're doing a conversion. At the bottom of the page, sorry about the sun right there. At the bottom of the page, you have 3 questions to help you think. So it says, how much taller is the tallest ride than the shortest? So you need to figure out which one is the tallest and subtract it from the shortest. If you want to double the height of the swinging ship ride, how tall would it be in feet and inches? So go find your swinging ship. Double it in the feet and in the inches and find out how tall it would be. And then what's the difference in height of the 2 roller coasters? So find your roller coaster 1 and 2 and subtract and find out which one's taller. Okay? So that is your first page. The second page is more conversions having to do with feet and inches. Okay? So you have the 5 people on the board. I guess that's me. All have children of different ages, and here there are 6 kids, and they want their theme park to be fun for the whole family. So you need a ride that will be good for everyone. Okay, so you're going to begin by converting all the heights to inches, And then solve the problems to fill in the charts for the minimum height in feet and inches. And then write which child can ride each ride. Okay, so first of all, we're going to convert these to inches. So when you see the 1 tick mark, that means feet. 2 tick marks means inches. So 5 feet, first of all, is how many inches? 5 times 12 is, 5 times 12 is 60. Okay, and then you have 7 more inches here. So this is a total of 60 plus 7, 67. And then put the 2 little lines for inches. Okay, 4 feet, 4 inches. 4 times 12 is 48. Plus the 4 inches right there. 48 plus 4 is 52 inches. So you're going to do the same thing for the other 4 people. Then you have to look down at the rides. It says the Ferris wheel, you must be 1 yard tall to ride. 1 yard is how many feet and how many inches. Some of you might know that conversion of how many inches are a yard right off the top of your head. If you don't, remember that 1 yard is 3 feet. So how many inches is 3 feet? So if I said, well, let's just do this one together, I guess. Okay, so if 3 feet, how many inches are in a foot? We already said there's 12 inches in a foot. So 12 times 3 is 36 inches. Okay, so if you have to be 36 inches tall to ride this ride, you're going to write down the names of the kids that get to ride in it. So for sure Jackson can. He's over 36. For sure Hillary can ride. She's over 36 inches. And you need to figure out those ones to see who can ride. Now the next one says, for roller coaster 1, you must be 1 foot taller than the minimum height of the Ferris wheel. So it's 1 foot more than here. So if this Ferris wheel, you have to be 3 feet tall, that means roller coaster 1, you have to be 4 feet tall. 4 feet tall, 4 times 12 is, you got it? 48 inches. And then you're going to find up here who is at least 48 inches tall and write their names down. All right, so all of these are clues to convert. You're going to write the number in inches and find out who can write it. And that is it for today. All right, so these are all some feet and inches conversions, and then tomorrow you'll do some more converting. All right, call me if you guys get stuck.